What's up, everybody? Today we got you 1971 Mach 1 Mustang. This is a very special car. This is for somebody that wants a nice, original, restored car. This is a great investment piece. This is all done very original, all like it would have been back from the factory, minus the radial tires. Original stereo. It's not working, but original stereo. Everything is in there is like it came from the factory. This is a very rare car. This is a one of three, I do believe, in grabber blue, white interior, ram air with silver stripes. The silver stripes make it pretty rare. I've never seen one personally with the silver stripes, and I gotta tell you, when I first saw this car, it really captured my attention. It's just a great looking car. Everybody loses their mind when they see you. That grabber blue screams attention when you're just out driving it. 351, it's got great power, everything in there, all stickers, everything just looks like it would have been from the factory. Probably, to be honest with you, way better from the factory. The paint job on this car is just phenomenal. Body's very straight, new tires, original wheels, the chrome, everything looks good on this car. The interior is very nice. It's a great investment tool. So, I mean, if you're looking for something you want to drive around, have a little fun with, it's not going to lose any value. This is only going up. You cannot find these anymore. It's very hard to find a nice Ram Air Mach 1 Mustang. So come check it out at the Classic Car Collective. And as always, we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks again.